welcome back to my channel. Yes, I seem to look a lot different. We had a shortage in our ceiling light, and my husband's at work and he was going to take care of it, but he had to run to work. So right now our ceiling lights don't work on, and all I have right now is my ring light. So it's going to look a lot different, which is fine. So it's just kind of weird, you know, taking a video in the dark because it's pitch black everywhere and I can't see anything except me on the screen. That's all I can see. So yeah, but I'm here to share with you guys some really good freebies at Walmart this week with Ibotta and Checkout 51. You guys definitely want to check out, or if you guys haven't joined Checkout 51, click my referral link below. You guys will get $10 once you redeem your first rebate. And then there's also Checkout 51 now where you get referrals if you guys join, which I have the referral link below, and you guys will get $5 once you guys redeem your first rebate. So there are some great freebies. I didn't get a lot of stuff, but I got some good stuff, and it ended up becoming out to be a moneymaker, which I absolutely love. And a lot of you guys love moneymakers too. Not like the hiccups. It's like, why? I'm fine until I do the videos, and then all of a sudden, like, everything just bad happens. So now if you guys check out your Walmart Ibotta app, there is tons of freebies going on, and right now it's the Sir Kensington stuff. My store only had the ketchup, but it is like it's like a classic mayo. It's a special sauce. There's a avocado mayo. There's the ketchup. So there's 4 different rebates at Walmart that you guys can use. My store only had just the ketchup. Now Target also has the same deal going on, but there's 5 different rebates. My Target only had 3, so I will be doing a separate video to show you guys what I got at Target. So definitely do this deal. It's going to be a hot item, and I think they really want you guys to try this stuff. So, but this ketchup was $3.98. You guys would pay $3.98. I don't know if there's any coupons out there for you, but you guys would end up getting $3.98 back with Ibotta, making this absolutely free. It is a limit of 1 per item, so if you guys have all 4 items, go for it. That is a super, super good deal. One of the mayos is for $6.48, another one's for $6.98, the other one's for $4.98. So there is all those. I got the $3.98 ketchup, so we got that. Ended up getting the Poise Pads. Now these were $4.84. There is a $2 off coupon that you guys can print off the Scott's like brands website. You guys use that coupon, you guys would pay $2.84 for this, but then you guys can submit a $3 rebate on Ibotta, making this a 16-cent moneymaker. So love it. I don't need these, so I usually give these away. I give a lot of these like feminine products away because I don't use a lot of that stuff. So, and it's not like I need it now because, well, this is for bladder, but yeah, I ended up getting Stay Free. Now the Stay Free, there was a coupon on coupons.com, but I did not print enough of them. So anyways, there's a better coupon on the Stay Free website. There's a $2 off of 2. So you guys want to buy 2 Stay Free pads at $2.86. You guys use that 2 off of 2 coupon that you guys can print off the Stay Free website. You guys would end up paying $3.72 for the both of these, but then you guys will get $1 back and $1 back with Ibotta, making it $1.72 or just 86 cents a piece, which could be a pretty good deal. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. I'm just going to get all the feminine products out of the way. But I ended up getting the Carefree liners, or what are these? Yeah, the liners. Now make sure you guys scan the items when you're at the store because not every single item qualifies. So I can't even see my kid if he walks down the stairs. That's how dark it is. But these are $2.97. Now I did use that 75% off coupon that was able to print off of coupons.com last week. It is no longer available. You guys would pay $2.22 for this, but then you guys get a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making this $1.22. So not the greatest deal. Not the greatest deal, but hey, it'll do. It'll do. Now, I was finally getting excited to start getting some baby products because with me, I have a friend who is due in February, so I thought these are great things to give her a little gift basket of stuff. And then again, myself. So I ended up getting the Johnson's baby powder. This was $2.86. Now, I did not use a coupon for this one because I used a coupon for my other one. So, and those coupons, you can only use one per transaction. So you guys would pay $2.86 for this. Now I found this cheaper one in the baby section. The other stuff I found in the like the shampoo area, the razor area. So I found all that stuff. But this would be $2.86. You guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making it just $1.86. Now this is the fresh. I don't know. It's this baby powder. There's like I still got one for my. Oh, I grabbed the pink one last time. Never mind. I guess I got two of the pink ones. And my cat is right by my feet. So we got that one. And then I ended up getting the baby lotion. Now this is sweet apple lotion. And I could smell it. Wherever I was, I smelled it, and I'm like, oh, I love apple. So I got some lotion. Now, this was $5.92. Now, it has to be the 800 milliliter size. You guys want to use that $2 off coupon that was available on coupons.com. Last time I checked, it was on there, so I'm not sure if it's still on there now. You guys would pay $3.92 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making it just $1.98. So I think that's a pretty good deal, $1.98 for a jumbo thing of lotion. So I'm pretty excited for this. And right here from like the light, there's like this much is not even in the bottle. So it's like they sure give you, you know, extra space to shake it up. So weird, like I can't see anything. I can see my cat, that's all I can see. Neighbors probably are like, what the heck is that bright light coming out of the basement, because we have like a patio door right next to me. So that was everything. Oh, I had I got more. I ended up getting the Crunchmaster crackers. Now these were $2.78. I used a $1 off coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. And if you guys can't get that coupon, you can also go to the Crunchmaster website, sign up for their email. They send those coupons to you all the time in an email. You guys would pay $1.78 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta and a $1 rebate on Checkout 51, making it, I lost my spot because I didn't do it in order, a 22-cent moneymaker. So I'm not a big fan of these crackers. I usually just kind of give these away, but for free crackers, I say go for it. So I'm going to be doing a food drive. My dentist office is having a food drive this month, so I'm going to be donating a bunch of stuff. And I'll probably make a video showing you guys what I donate. Now, these are the easy freebies. Now, what you guys need to do is check your app right before you buy these items to make sure they're still available. Because sometimes this stuff goes like that. Like, you buy it and it's gone. So make sure you guys, like, right before you buy it, check it, see if it's still available. But I ended up getting the Big Soleil razors. These were $3.27. There is a limit of 2, so you guys can buy 2 of them if you want. But if you just buy one, it'll be $3.27. You guys submit a $4 rebate on Checkout 51. Now this is for Walmart only. This ends up becoming a 73-cent moneymaker, or if you guys buy both of them, a $1.46 moneymaker. So can't pass up free razors. I made sure I like submitted my receipt the minute I got in my car because I'm like, why not? Just do it. Just do it. So I've seen a couple people do this deal, and I'm like, okay, I'm not sure. I still haven't got approved yet of my checkout 51, so we're still gonna see. But I ended up getting some lighters. Now these were $2.78. I had no coupons for them, but you guys would pay $2.78. People are saying they're getting their money right away, but you guys can submit up to 4 of them and you guys will get $3 back. Now the picture shows like those long ones, so I'm not sure what is going on, but we'll see how it works. I had to try to pick like as much of the pretty colors as I had, but they only had one pretty one that I could see. So $2.78, and you guys end up getting these end up being a 22-cent moneymaker each one, or just 88 cents moneymaker for all 4 of them. So we'll see if my money gets updated, and if not, I probably will return these if it doesn't get approved. So that was my Walmart Ibotta haul. I think I did pretty good. I wasn't really in the mood to do some of these hauls because I'm just like, I'm sick of doing the same stuff over and over again, but I did feel like there's quite a few different deals that I did, so hopefully you guys can do this. I'm almost done with level 3. I'm hoping to do another Walgreens store, or waiting for stuff to reset so I can go to Walgreens and kind of do some of the same deals again. But I was super close to hitting level 3. I just didn't finish it, but I finished 2 different bonuses. There's another bonus that they had, but they wanted me to get 24 rebates, so I have to check and see how much more rebates I need. One thing I do want to tell you guys is if you guys want to join my Ibotta team, you gotta Facebook friend me. Now you Facebook friend me, I have the link below so you guys can join my team. Now I'm getting a lot of people saying that you're not finding me on Ibotta. I don't know what the heck is going on. I don't know if it's a glitch or something. You just have to kind of refresh it, try disconnecting your account, reconnecting. Yeah, I just need 7 more rebates so far I can get the $5 thing. So just want to give you a heads up. Oh, and Walmart Pay. I'm probably going to do a live video sometime soon. I'm hoping to do it this week. Walmart Pay. Okay, all you guys need to do is open your app, okay? Open your app. Open your Walmart app, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to click Walmart Pay. Okay, it's gonna ask for my finger recognition. Yeah, now it doesn't work. Too many attempts. Try again. I don't know my PIN. Okay, well, it's not letting me do it. I don't know my PIN number. I don't even know what it would be. But anyways, so what you guys want to do is you guys go to Walmart Pay, and then they have that like little square that you guys scan at the register. Just scan it. You don't have to have any money on your app. Don't have any credit cards attached to it either. So all you guys do is, even while the cashier is still scanning the items, just put that little barcode. I wonder why I wish I could do this. Okay, here we go. So, as you guys can see, you can see me, but here is that little square. If you guys can see that little square right there, all you guys do is, see, I have 0 money for gift cards, and I have no credit cards or debit cards. All you guys do is scan that little code on the Walmart, like, you know when you swipe your credit card, just scan that. You guys, I've had a couple of you guys tell me this. No money needed. You just scan it and automatically that receipt will print off, and then you go back to the app after you pay for it and you go to Savings Catcher, and it'll ask you if you want to submit your receipt. So there you guys go. So just make sure you don't have to pay or anything. You just scan the app, don't have to pay. You can pay how you normally pay, and that's how it works. So I just want to give you guys a heads up. But now I know you guys are ready for the total. Sorry, I'm going to make a special video about the Walmart Savings app. I'm just going to wait till my lights are working, so I'll probably do it tomorrow to give you guys more of a heads up. I've had a ton of people asking about it, so just giving you guys a heads up. I will be doing an updated video. But my total came to $38.98. I had this old lady, I had an older lady behind me. And I had all my stuff all like ready to go, and she was just about to scan it, and this old lady is like sitting there leaning on the register because she had 2 items. I'm like, yeah, I could have let her go, but there's also like 4 people behind her. And I'm just like, then I have to let them go. And she's just sitting there like, I'm like, I'm sorry, lady, you're buying 2 items. Go to the self-checkout if you guys want to. Like, I don't go to the self-checkout because I always have problems every time I go there, but it's like she's just looking at me, and I had only 5 coupons. 5 coupons. Not my problem, but I just hate how some people are, it's like, you're in a rush. That's not my fault. Not my fault. But anyways, $38.98. I got $13.98 back with Ibotta. I ended up getting the gravy train bonus from Ibotta. That was $3. And then I got the cashed potatoes, and that was $2. And so I still need the turkey trot, which I will be hitting that hopefully this week because it ends soon. And then with Checkout 51, if I get approved, I'll be getting $21 back. That's enough money where you guys can cash out. Oh, and they also just started where you guys can cash out, not with check, but you can also do it through savings or PayPal. I just did that for the first time, and I got my money super fast. So I like money going to my PayPal because that's how I pay for certain other things. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. But if you guys add all the numbers together, it ended up becoming a $1 moneymaker. $1 moneymaker. How cool is that? Everything was all even. So yeah, I think this Walmart haul went pretty fast, or pretty good. Everything went out smoothly. Ben and I went in the store and we were out. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up. But yes, if you have any questions on Save and Star, let me know. Any questions, let me know. I'm going to be doing an updated video. And I kind of want to do a live video later this week to just answer some of your guys' questions for everything. So yes. But again, I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.